Who is Moby? Moby's my dog. Typical day for Moby, he'll just hop right in the truck, rides shotgun all day, explores around, and finds his little spot. He just chills. Whenever he's allowed to come, I bring him. I've always brought him to work with me because I can. And I think dogs in the workplace, they do so much for people. It just makes everyone a little calmer and happier. He makes everybody smile, which makes it a better work day. Just having your dog there with you during the day, it just makes your day go so much better. You don't wish it away, and he helps me keep in the moment. I bring him to shoot days sometimes if they let me. I got him here right now. Right, Mobes? When I bring him on set, he just makes everyone smile, and everyone's workday just goes a little bit better.
May I demonstrate on my assistant? So you fill it with water. Hey, Mopes.
Moby!
Hey, buddy.
Look at you.
Can I wash your paw?
And I never feel like I'm at work. He just guides me through the day, and he's just a good guy to have around. What makes Moby the perfect companion? He's the Mobster. He's just chill. I've never met a dog like him. It's just great to see the world through a dog's eyes. He's a good boy.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.